This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You should not attempt to break a pattern lock without authorization. It's both risky and potentially illegal. Instead, collect proof of ownership now, receipts, IMEI, or linked account email, because service options will require it. Once done, note the Realme model and Android version and confirm you have recent backups or a local copy of important files. These steps help you choose a legitimate recovery route and speed up support when you contact the manufacturer or a certified technician. If you have the linked Google account, begin account recovery and follow the device unlock prompts, which preserves data when possible. Alternatively, use Find My Device to locate, and if authorized, secure or erase the phone, make sure you understand erasure removes data. If those fail, contact Realme support or an authorized repair center and provide the ownership documents you gathered. They can verify ownership and perform an official unlock or guided reset without illegal workarounds. After contacting support or a service center, schedule the repair and supply the proof requested. Get written confirmation of the service steps and expected timeline. Make sure to set up robust backups and enable account recovery options once you regain access so you avoid lockouts later. If a provider cannot assist, contact your carrier or the original seller to validate ownership. These legitimate channels protect you and preserve device integrity rather than resorting to unsafe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.